Bye! Shh! No one likes you. Hinako does. Oh, no. Hinako does not like you. I do. Shh! I don't want to hear it. No! No, take it off. Take out the cappuccino assassino. I couldn't even hear what it was saying. All because of Hinako's voice. I don't think it's gonna do anything next. What was that? Oh, obviously. Bro. I'm just gonna dance. Oh. Come on.
Curva Bober.
No.
Curva Bober.
No! Jeez.
Ballerina cappuccina. Mi. È la moglie di Cappuccino Assassino. E ama la musica.
La 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 la. Easy ballerina lo.
No.
Oh. Bro, no one likes you. No.
La polizia no.
The policia no. Bro, no one likes you, so be quiet. You should not be talking.
Trick track baraboom.
What is trick track bada boom? You just heard it.
Bam bam. Bim. Matteo.
Yay.
Matteo.
Yay.
Bam. Bim bim. Bom bom.
No, not this toilet.
Spaghetti toaletti.
But where's Ryoba?
Non fare il cappuccino.
She's probably still sleeping. Footsteps. That could be Ryoba. Hey. What? Oh no. Actually, y'all guys are right. Wait. Stop!
Il mio cappello è pieno di slim.
Sheesh. God. Excuse me. I'll be right here, guys.
Bulbito bandito. Oi. Oh, burrito bon.
Oh my god. Hello, Gansta Rico. Shh. No one likes it. Yano, you say this all the time. No one likes it. No one likes it. Even with the brr.
Trallallero, trallallà.
Ah, no.
Ero con il mio
Don't come. I swear it's gonna come again.
Trallallero, porco Dio e porco Allah.
Exactly.
Pulimero,
Ah, no! No.
Formaggio sulla trulla lima. Ma chi chiama la tazza?
Not funny. Now everyone's awake because of these sounds again, and some of the new ones too. Guys, I got bad news to tell you. What? I'm gonna be moving to another country. I'm talking! Maybe you can talk later. Okay, I'm moving country next year. I meant next month. Ah! Why? I don't know.
Membuat para ilmuwan berpikir keras untuk mencari cara menanganinya. Salah satu ilmuwan terkenal.
Why? Because I don't know. I'm gonna see my siblings. Come on, just say it.
Bombombini Gusini.
Oh
Fratello
yeah,
Bombardiro
we
che
love
svolge
you so
tutte le-
much. Ayano, are you moving? Why are you not moving, Ayano? I think she's starting to get mad. Oh, she's shaking. Yeah. Oh, she didn't. Oh, she's not shaking anymore. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ah! Oh, now she's mad. Stop. I'm actually mad. You're just joking. I'm not joking. I'm not joking, Layla.
Coste di Bali, una noce di cocco unica nel suo genere che contenga un capibara al suo interno. Si tratta di un frigo camelo, buffo fardello nel centro della spioniro.
Oh, sometimes I don't like shroomy or
Salamino pinguino, mezzo salame.
Well, guess what? I don't like all the Italian brainrot because I don't like the Italian brainrot. Coming from Czech Republic. I thought you said it's called for. I thought you said Czech the Republic. Bro, I did not say Czech the Republic. I think it's gonna end soon. When is this ever gonna end, man? Oh, no. And we're also tired all of a sudden. Oh. If we hear a sound, we're getting out of here. I'm gonna stay here. Okay. Oh, no. That's a good one. But when you see the disgusting one, just get out of here. Yeah, because I don't like all Italian brainrots, especially the good ones. Nope, I don't like it. Get out. No, get out. Get out. Get out. No, get out. Wait, why am I not? Guys, where are you? Hey, but I can just sleep already, right? Wait, no, I hate being by myself. Help. I'll just try to ignore. We're back home, guys. Back home. Oh, that was crazy. Whoa. Hi. That was weird. Oh, guys. Nope, no one wants to talk to you. Brother. Nope, he's not gonna listen. Guys, just please stop. Whatever. Yeah, no. No. Well. Okay, guys, I hope we don't hear the same thing. Okay, so okay. Guys, this is why I told you to go sleep and you didn't listen. No, that's not because of us. It just comes at night and morning. The morning? Actually the evening and the night. Then why did it happen in the noon? I don't know. For no reason. What? Who turned on the alert? We don't have no alert, only at school. Then, can we have the door closed? I'm scared. That must be coming because the door is open. Nah, it just comes at night and evening. Let's just ignore the noise and go to sleep. When it was finally gone. Okay, guys, it's finally gone. Let's just test it out. Okay, the sound is not here anymore, guys. We can go to sleep. Yay! Just next time, don't do that again. Yeah, we're sorry. Let's get to sleep. Oh, that was a long day today. Bye. Just go to sleep, Hayden. I don't want to hear that Bye. It's finally gone, Ayano. We can just finally get some good rest. Wait, guys. Don't look at me. Sorry. We're not having no photo time. Everyone already got upstairs. Okay. Layla, you better wait. And now we're the final ones that should go upstairs and go to bed. Let's just hope that doesn't happen in the noon. Let's just happen. Don't let it. Please don't let this happen tomorrow. Don't. Please just don't. The end. That's it, right, guys. And also, if you're watching this on a phone or flip the phone like this, or in your TV, in a robot phone, in the talent show, or the movie theaters. So, yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching these videos, kids. I really hope that you and your friends or your sibling or your parents, sometimes your parents, but make sure to like and subscribe. Bye, kiddos. Let's go.